Well, old friend, here I am. I told you I'd be back. And as usual, mate, I'm bloody late. It's 75 years down the track. For the last time, here I stand in this familiar foreign land, back with the mates I left behind, fixed forever in their time. And of all the ghosts of all the boys who haunt this lonely place, only one of them wears your cheery grin and your Queensland joker's face. When I drown in old and bloody dreams of helpless young men's dying screams, I feel your hand give my arm a shake and your voice say, steady mate. And the country that you died for, mate, you would not know it now. The future that we dreamed of, mate, got all twisted up somehow. The peace that we were fighting for, the end to stupid, senseless war, so it couldn't happen to our kids. Well, old mate, it did. But thank you for the gift of years and the flame that brightly burned, for the time you bought and the lessons taught, though often wasted and unlearned. Lest we forget, cry the multitude, as if I ever could. So forgive an old man's tears and thank you for the years.